This video will show how to use the 930XC Greenlee Communications OTDR in real-time mode. First step is to go to the wrench icon in the top right hand corner. The main menu is now displayed. In measurement mode, you can go from real-time to averaging, and so we'll use real-time mode here, and we'll push run to initiate a measurement. Here you can see we have two events, one at 2 kilometers and one at 2.58 kilometers. You can see the screen is constantly updating and providing this information to us. If I were to disconnect the two fibers that I have here, you will see now we only have a fiber length of 2 kilometers. At approximately 4 kilometers, we have a ghost, and that is a artifact. It's a reflection due to the intense nature of the connector on the end of my fibers. Now I'm going to reconnect those, making sure to clean both the ferrule end and the bulkhead, and reconnect 600 meters to the end of the 2 kilometers. And you can see now the ghost has moved over, and it's twice the distance of the 2.6 kilometers. At about 5.2 kilometers. Now, if I wanted to try to eliminate that ghost, I need to properly terminate the end of the fibers. Cleaning both ends and connecting a termination to the end of my 2.6 kilometer length of fiber. Now you can see the ghost has disappeared, and the end of the fiber at 2.6 kilometers is not nearly as reflective. I can also pinch the fiber just before that connection of the 2 kilometers to the 600 meters. And you can see I've now totally caused the light to disappear from the 600 meters, and now my fiber appears to be only 2 kilometers. Now this is a very valuable technique in being able to actually troubleshoot a fiber optic network. Now remove that pinching of the fiber, and that comes back. We have now 2 kilometers with 600 meters connected to the end. I will now disconnect that terminating fiber I installed, and you can see the ghost has now reappeared, and the end of the end of the fiber of 2.6 kilometers has become much more reflective. Now I will reconnect, and you can see the fiber is now properly terminated and not nearly as reflective. To stop the OTDR from continuing on in real-time mode, just push the stop button, and now you'll be able to do a measurement, and you can see the 3 events that I have. Event number 1 is the bulkhead at 0 meters. Event number 3 is the end of the fiber at 2.5 kilometers. And event number 2 is the connection of the 2 kilometers to 600 meters.